Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to a new Python video for absolute beginners. Now, I did a couple of videos on the channel so far. We're going to continue to do that. We're going to keep things extremely simple, and I'm going to explain things line by line, right? Now, the idea is when we have the basics down, we're going to take Python into Maya, and we're going to create some stuff, right? But for now, we got a very simple code. I'll copy the code below so you can just copy it for use yourself. And what we're going to do today is we're going to make a chatbot. Now, don't get too excited. It is a very, very simple version of a chatbot, but nevertheless, it is one. And you can, of course, expand on it, right? If you want to add a lot of content to it, you can do that. So let's go through it. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to print a text. As soon as we run the code, we'll print the text that says, the chatbot says, hello, and then it says type bye to exit. So your options are to either say, hey, what's your name, or that kind of thing. Or if you type in bye, then you will basically exit the program, right? Now, what we're going to do then is we're going to ask for a user input, and the input by you, right, can be hello or hi there or what's your name or and so on. Now, then you get the options. If your user input is bye, right, let's say you just want to go out straight away, then the system will print chatbot says goodbye to you and then break, right? That's the end of it. Else if, which is a Python code, right? Hello. So if that is your user input, right, or hi, the chatbot will say hi there. And these are all examples. If you type in how are you, the chatbot will say I'm just code, but I'm doing great. If you type in your name, right, chatbot will say I'm a very simple chatbot as its name. If you type in help, it will say try saying hello, ask my name, or saying bye, and else. So if you do none of those, it will say I don't understand that yet. So again, extremely simple chatbot. You know these chatbots when you're on a web store or something and there's nobody available to talk to, they kind of quote unquote talk to you, right? So let's run this code here. So we're going to go to the top right corner. Let's click on that. And as I mentioned, the chatbot will start by saying hello, right? And type bye to exit. We're not going to do that yet. You, which will be you, right? You can say, I don't know, hello. And hit enter. And then the chatbot will say, hi there. You can also, because we said hello or hi, right? You can say hi. And again, it will say hi there. If I say, how are you doing, right? We will have how are you, right, in here. And it should come back with I'm just code, right? So how are you doing? And you get the answer, I'm just code, but I'm doing great, right? Okay, what else? We can say, hey, what's your name, right? What is your name? And again, I'm a very simple chatbot. So you kind of simulate the idea that you're talking to a chatbot, right? That's the idea. Now, if I type in something that is not covered here, right? Okay. What is the color of your car? It's going to come back with I don't understand that yet. There you go. I don't understand that yet. And then when all is said and done, you can say, all right, I'm ready to exit. So what you can do is type in bye. And the chatbot will say goodbye. And that's it, right? So it's very simple, it's very straightforward, but the idea here is to use this and kind of expand on it, right? So you can go in here and add a bunch of function here, right? Let's say you got a little web store or something, and you want to cover questions about, do you have this part number in stock, or do you have this color in stock, or when will I receive my order, or etc., 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 right? Just to get the ball rolling. Again, it's a beginner code, right? So yeah, that's it for this one. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and let me know if you got any requests for Python projects, right? Okay, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.